Hey there, it's Annie Lou. How are you? I have my Walmart box and I'm thinking this is for summer. Let's take a peek. Walmart boxes. I think the subscription to Walmart boxes is just wonderful. They're $5, which actually is for the shipping, and it comes out quarterly. You go to walmart.com, find the beauty box page and subscribe, and I have never had a problem. My credit card is in there and it gets charged $5 quarterly. So let's see what's in here. Okay. Spring Beauty Sensations. So it's Spring Beauty Sensations. You would think it would be summer, but I did get my winter box rather late. All right, let's see. Calm. It says Calm Magnesium Supplement, raspberry lemon flavor. Magnesium. Oh, Calm. I've seen this on TV. I don't know. I think I'm calm enough. Oh my word. Nails. Salon Perfect Nail Set. These are fancy. So it comes with a glue, the emery board, and I think that is the widest one. You know, I never ever let my nails get that long because it's just too hard to do things. I don't know if I can cut that down and make it like round, just to try it out. Let's see, this is the smallest one. My nails are growing as it is. These are kind of fancy though, aren't they? I don't know. I think they're too long for me, but that's a good thing. I am going to research that and see if I can shape them down. And we have Hello Anti-Plaque and Whitening Toothpaste from Hello. And I've had Hello things before and I do like them. It's not black. Sometimes they're black, but not this time. And then the Hello brush. See, charcoal infused. That's what I was talking about. Naturally friendly. I hope it's a soft. It is soft. All right. I could use a new one. Very good. And Biore. This is a daily purifying cleanser. It smells fresh. So that's good. You know, these boxes are different. I did watch one person unbox their box, and I think the only thing that they got that I got was this and this, and I think they got the Biore, but they did not get the nails. Okay, Suave Curling Defining Cream for naturally curly and coily hair. I do not have coily hair. Naturally curly. I have wavy hair. I'll probably try this. Oh, they're both creams. It's not shampoo. So I guess directions. After sectioning, apply to damp or wet hair at the root, working to the ends. Do not rinse. Can be used on dry hair to define and moisturize. I'm thinking it smells like coconut. Yeah, Annie, it says pure coconut oil. I don't like the fragrance of coconut. I like coconut candy, coconut cake, but I love macaroons, but I don't like the scent. Isn't that strange? De-stress, so that is about the Calm. Okay. And then this is about the Suave. And they do give you a $2.50 off coupon when you buy 2 Suave Professionals for natural hair care. $2.50, that's good, off Suave, because Suave isn't that expensive to begin with. So that is very, very good. All right. So I think that was a nice collection of things here. So toothpaste, cleanser, the toothbrush, and the nails. So there you go. I am more than happy with what I have received. Just the nails are worth probably $5, if not more. I am going to give them a try. I'm going to see if I can cut them down. All right, my friends. Well, thank you for joining me, and take care. Bye-bye.